Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaylee. I'm going to college in like a week-ish. I'm super excited but also so nervous. I'm going to Suffolk University in Boston. I definitely have to pack, so I decided I was going to make a video of like my entire week of just packing and getting prepared for college. So I'm starting packing. I have a ton of my things downstairs. I'll show you guys once I step down there, and now I'm going to take you guys into a week of my packing. You guys haven't seen this yet, but this used to say Queen Kaylee, and my tapestries used to be on my ceiling. And here, packed them up. The Y is missing, but I got letters to put a Queen Kaylee up in my room. I'm going to wash my backpack right now because I took it camping and everything, and it's kind of just like meh. Also, I forgot to mention that a few of my friends are actually leaving this week, so I wanted to vlog that too and just have that, get that on record. Here we just have some of my stuff. And then I have some of my clothes, and a lot of these are going to be hung up. This is like the worst. I have this entire pile of clothes to look through for some more of my clothes that I want to take. Honestly, I haven't really made much of an improvement. My backpack just finished, and then I have some of my slides in there. So I don't know why I'm like acting like I need all this stuff when I know for a fact I'm probably not going to wear some of them. Okay, so I'm finished packing up my backpack. I'll just show you guys what I put in here. For the first pocket, my laptop's going to go in there. Got some folders, 3 notebooks. I have my agenda. It says working on it. I got this from Marshall's. Yeah, it's really cute inside. It's like marble. Killing the queen. Yeah, it's really cute inside. I really love agendas. If you know me, you know I literally could not live without my agenda. So that's what's in that. And then in this pocket, I have some Aleve and Motrin, just because I'm the type of person who will literally come up to anybody and ask, like, you got some ibuprofen or something? Literally all the time. All my friends will tell you. So I just decided to put that in my backpack, and then I have 2 more for when I'm actually in my dorm. And then I have a pencil and pen case. I got a calculator and sticky notes. I put 2 sticky notes in here, and then I have some on the outside, and I'll show you guys just in a second what I have for my school supplies that I'm going to keep at my dorm. And then I have my Tide to Go stick and my EpiPen. Always got to carry that around with me. And then I have a little pencil sharpener for my pencils because they're all not sharpened. Then I have, for things that I'm keeping at my dorm, I have obviously my extension cords. Those are really crucial, important, especially for me because I have so much things that I'm bringing that require an outlet. So yeah. Then I have my letters from my Queen Kaylee. I think I told you guys about that earlier, but basically I have Queen Kaylee on my room, like on the wall of my room, so I'm just gonna mimic that with these gold letters. Then I have command strips. Anybody will tell you that these are like essential, so I have 2 packs of those. They come in like 2 sizes. I just grabbed 2 packs, and I grabbed command hooks as well. And then I got some index cards. Then I just like took half the pen pack that I put in my bag and left some out just for my desk at my dorm. And then I got a stapler, some staples. Then these other colorful pens. These pens, I promise you guys, are the best pens ever. I brought a 5-pack of sticky notes, so I'm going to have 3 packs for at home. And then Sharpies. Honestly, I'm just really into like colors and like writing things down, all that stuff like that. So I just felt like whatever, I'm just going to get an entire pack of Sharpies. Those will probably last me a while. If I don't use them, then whatever. And then I got some tape. And then I got a whole thing of these, which I'm going to put in my desk as well. So yeah. And then for my desk, obviously, this V-Light. And then I got this calendar for my desk. Alright, you guys, so I took the time to like actually scrub my shoes clean. It's Tuesday morning. I need to check if these are dry. My Vans really don't look promising. Oh yeah, okay, these are still wet. Still kind of wet. Still wet. Still wet. Still wet. and still wet. I think I should put these out more in the sun. I think I'm gonna switch the location of them because I don't think I'm getting enough sun back here. This is where I'm at right now. Obviously a big improvement from yesterday because there's really not anything over here. I have like underwear, bras, socks. So I have sports bras, I have sports shorts, and then I have sports shirts in here. This drawer is like just filled with joggers. This drawer is yoga pants and some leggings. I can't even open this one, but I'm not even gonna try to open it right now. And this one I believe is just like sweatpants. And then this is just filled with tank tops. This drawer is filled with long sleeve like dress shirts and shirts that I could wear to like go to class or something like that if I'm feeling like I want to dress nice for that day. This drawer is just t-shirts and some sleep shirts. And this drawer is filled with another like huge pile of pants. I still have to pack up all of my hoodies and everything like that. I put some of them on hangers, but I still have a ton more, like this entire pile right here. These are all the shirts that I just decided I wasn't gonna bring. Originally I was gonna bring all of them, but I just obviously do not have the space for them. But yeah, still have to do this. Hopefully my closet can handle all of this stuff. But taking a step back, everything is like so much more organized than before. Like, that's all I have now. Everything's good.
I remember I got there.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
So I'm with my friends right now.
How are your family?
My family, Marisola. Yeah, she can't really look back. I'm with Erin.
I look
Erin's
back
leaving.
Hi guys, it's us again. We love you, Kaylee.
Hey guys, so we're in Erin's room right now.
Please don't.
What? What? Are you ashamed? I'm gonna vlog it.
She should be. She should be.
Guys,
This is
look at
everyday
Erin's
type
room.
shit.
Honestly, it's not as bad as it usually is. That's the thing. Like, look at all of this stuff. And I bet she's gonna leave it like this.
She leaves
Right?
tonight.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we're at Leah and Allie's house right now. Allie's only inside right now. I don't even think she knows we're here, but she's probably peeking out the window at us, to be honest. Like a little creep. She's a little creep. Allie! Say hi to my vlog. Why is it so dark in here? Say hi to the vlog.
Hey vlog, what's up?
Guys, Leah's here now. Say hi to the vlog.
It's my own house, of course I'm here.
Well, you weren't here before when I came in, so explain that.
Hi vlog.
Oh. Best friends forever. Best friends forever.
No, stop recording.
Okay, guys, look at these roses. When did we get these?
Senior last assembly.
Senior last assembly, we got these roses, and that was like June, beginning of June, and they're still here and they're just dying together, and Erin's leaving today, so that's just a symbolism of our love. Oh, that's cute. Hey guys, I'm back with Marisola.
Hi.
Marisola's a little bit sad today, so am I, because Erin's gone, but it's okay. Everything's gonna be fine, right?
Yeah.
Didn't really sound assuring, but everything's gonna be fine. But anyway, what is this person? I can always see people staring at us through their little mirrors. People need to learn how to mind their business when they're driving. Anyways, I'm on the way to Callie's house. This is Zancudo, guys. I need better lighting to film you, but this is also Callie.
Hey. There's a
Zancudo.
Yeah, you can put it through this, so there's not like mine.
Is he gonna do anything?
No,
Why are you staring at me like that?
because he's confused.
I don't like the look on his face.
He always has such a.
You know what he
like,
reminds me
sinister
of?
look.
Miss Kibling. From Jessie. What? This thing is on the bed.
He's staring at me.
Oh my god.
Is that better?
Oh,
For your
better.
camera?
Yeah, it's better.
Or is this better?
Oh yeah, it's
Can you
perfect.
get him to stop
That's
staring
perfect.
at me? Zancudo.
Is it creeping you out?
Yeah, a little bit.
No, thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Kipling. Hello, you guys. So it's now Thursday, and right now I'm about to go take you guys downstairs to where my two friends, Charlie and Ashley, are. And we're about to watch a documentary that my sister Lindsay has been working on for literally all of our senior year. And Kim is coming too. I think she might be here, but I'm not sure. But Kim is leaving tomorrow, so this is the last time we're gonna see her till Thanksgiving break. Okay. Don't act like this to my vlog, please.
Ashley Atkinson.
Ashley Atkinson, Triple
They
A.
call me Shlee.
Hi, I'm Charlie.
Hey guys, I'm Lindsay.
Oh God. Okay. Anyway, this is Kim.
Hi, I'm Kim. They call me Kim, you know.
Don't be crying, Kim. Kim. Look at the camera. Oh.
Favorite part?
All of it. I don't know. It was just so good.
So what's going on right now is we just finished watching the little documentary my sister made. It was really good. It was literally all of our memories from senior year. And all I can say really is like she got everything. Literally captured like everything. Things literally you didn't even remember until you watched the documentary. So if you're an underclassman right now, I suggest you do the same exact thing.
Shit,
literally
bro.
cherish it, because
Literally
Kim's literally leaving tomorrow and she's just sad right now. How do you feel about this as an underclassman?
It was good. I mean, like, I didn't have any emotional attachment, but.
I just cleaned my mini fridge. This was my sister's, so it's like a little hand-me-down mini fridge, but it's really honestly roomy. I love the ones with freezers because you can actually put things in the freezer instead of like just having it be a fridge. And it comes with this little cute ice tray. So a few things. This is a sham. It's really cute. It's like white and it has like this cute texture on it. But I thought about instead of using it as a sham, like for my pillow, I was going to use it for like a seat cover, which I don't know if it's going to work out how I want it to, but we'll see. And then I have this duffel bag here from St. Laurent, and I really just, I don't know, I found it in my closet, so I feel like I need it. So I'm just going to bring that. And then I got these little cute shower hooks. They have birds on them. And I just have this mug, and then I just put like silverware in it. This is like my mom's best silverware, so I don't know. I hope she doesn't mind that I'm taking it, but I really just wanted like metal silverware for like my dorm because I really don't want to have to use plastic silverware all the time. And then I wanted like a sharper knife just because like I want to cut up fruit and like veggies and all that stuff, so yeah. Okay, hello everyone. Today's Saturday. Nothing productive really happened today. All day long I've been like lying in bed because my neck, like, it was to a point today where I literally could not even move it. So I've just been laying down and putting like icy hot on it. So yeah, this is Saturday. Moving on to Sunday. Okay, and guys, I literally have this entire thing just for like snacks and extra food. I'm about to put like some seltzer water in there, so I can put it in my mini fridge. This is obviously gonna be my favorite then. And then going shopping for food tomorrow. This is about to be full. Why are you making that face?
Are you ready?
Ew. Guys, this is the last time I'm gonna see you guys. Oh. Marcy doesn't look phased at all. Cry. So, there was this little boy. What flavor is that? Okay, I'm sorry. There was this little boy. Anyway guys, so that was it for my week-long pack with me, prep with me, say goodbye with me. Make sure you watch the rest of my videos if you like this one. I just have a ton of fun videos planned and just a ton of college content that I'm really excited to put out there, so make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you in my next video.